This video will show you how to get more reviews from your customers with Womply. You can use Womply's Get More Reviews feature to ask customers to rate their experience with your business. They'll receive a text message or email asking for feedback about your business. If they give you a 4 to 5 star rating, they will be prompted to leave a review about their experience on popular review sites like Yelp or Google, where potential customers will see those positive reviews when searching for your business. If the customer rates their experience between 1 and 3 stars, they will be prompted to provide feedback that Womply shares directly and privately with you. To send a review request, we'll start by clicking Boost Your Reputation, then Get More Reviews. Now we'll push the Request Reviews button. This will open a window where you will see the Single Request tab and the Multiple Request tab. If you have an email list for your customers, the Multiple Request tab is where you can upload a spreadsheet to send multiple review requests at once. You'll want to make sure your spreadsheet is formatted properly. For more information, please check out our knowledge base article on sending multiple review requests. If you don't have an email list, you can send individual requests on the Single Request tab. If you like, you can put your customer's first name and last name in these fields. However, the only required information is either a valid email address or phone number. If you enter an email address, you can preview the email here. If you are sending a request via text, you can preview the text here. In this case, we'll send our request via email. Once we've filled out the required information, we'll click Send, and we'll see this confirmation window pop up. If you click the Send More button, the request window will reopen, allowing you to quickly send additional review requests. If you click I'm done, it will close the window and return you to the Get More Reviews page. You can see all the feedback from the reviews you've received under the Responses tab. Here you can see the date the response was received, the rating they gave, who the response is from, and what feedback they provided. You can also see all of the review requests you've sent under the Request tab. Here you can see your customer's name, their contact information, how many times you've requested a review from them, when you sent the last request, and the star rating they gave. You can also click here to send them another request. An even faster way to request reviews from your customers is to use the free mobile Get Reviews app. Now you and your employees can improve customer satisfaction right from your phone or tablet. To download the free mobile Get Reviews app, you can click this button under Boost Your Reputation. Then you'll click here to enter your phone number and press Send. You'll receive a text message on your phone with a link in it. Click the link and download the app. After you follow the prompts in the app, you'll be ready to send out review requests. Getting more reviews from your customers is a great way to boost your reputation and attract new customers. To learn more about boosting your reputation, check out these other videos. And if you have any questions, please email us at support@womply.com.